Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Remember, this is just my personal experience with the platform. Coinbase, found at coinbase.com, is a prominent online platform designed for buying, selling, and managing various cryptocurrencies. This user-friendly platform caters to both beginners and experienced traders, offering a streamlined interface and a diverse range of features. For those new to the world of digital currencies, Coinbase provides a clear and straightforward way to acquire popular cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. The platform's intuitive design simplifies the process, making it easy to navigate the complexities of crypto trading. More seasoned investors will appreciate the advanced trading options and tools available on Coinbase Pro, a separate platform tailored for more sophisticated trading strategies. This professional-grade platform offers enhanced charting capabilities, order types, and lower fees, catering to the needs of active traders. Beyond simply buying and selling, Coinbase also provides secure storage solutions for your digital assets. This allows users to keep their cryptocurrencies safe and accessible within the Coinbase ecosystem. Furthermore, Coinbase offers educational resources and learning materials to help users expand their understanding of cryptocurrencies and the blockchain technology that underpins them. The platform prioritizes security, implementing robust measures to protect user funds and personal information. Two-factor authentication and other security protocols are in place to mitigate risks and ensure a safe trading environment. Coinbase also offers a mobile app, providing convenient access to your portfolio and trading tools on the go. This allows users to stay connected to the market and manage their investments from anywhere with an internet connection. While Coinbase provides a comprehensive and user-friendly experience, it's important to note that fees can vary depending on the transaction type and payment method used. It's always advisable to review the fee structure before making any trades to ensure you understand the costs involved. Overall, Coinbase.com offers a valuable entry point and a robust platform for anyone looking to engage with the evolving landscape of digital currencies.